world. A very warm good afternoon to all the dreamers out there.
We, on behalf of the Millennium family, welcome you all to our annual event 2023, Abhijay, the Triumph of Life. Life is full of beauty. Notice it. Notice the bubble bee, the small child, and the smiling faces. Smell the rain, feel the wind. Live your life to the fullest potential and fight for your dreams.
Parents are requested to take their respective seats as we're going to begin with our show, Abhijay, the Triumph of Life. Dear parents, kindly pay attention as we are going to give few instructions regarding the dispersal of students. LM students' dispersal will take place immediately after the gratitude dance during intermission. Parents can collect their wards from dispersal gate number 2. I repeat, LM students will be handed over during intermission and parents can collect their wards at dispersal gate number 2. In case of sibling cases, parents remain seated as the dispersal of both the siblings will take place in the ending.
Dispersal of rest of the students, that is from grade 1 to 12, will take place at the end of the event only. Dispersal will be taken place according to class. Parents are requested to remain patiently seated and reach the dispersal gate number 2 only when the class is announced. So here we get down the podium and handed over the mic to our head girl, Samreen.
With immense joy and anticipation, I, Samreen Sahib, the head girl of the Millennium School Mohali, stand before you today to extend a very warm welcome and inaugurate an event that is more than just a celebration. It's an Odyssey into the realm of dreams. Dreams come true. All they need is you encapsulates the profound truth that a school is not just a place of learning, but a launchpad of aspirations. Its corridors echo and carry dreams and ambitions of each one of us that are uniquely our own. I feel extremely honored to welcome our Millennium mentors on this special occasion and our distinguished guests who guide us towards their dreams. I request our Honorable Principal Ma'am to present the token of gratitude to our Millennium mentors, Dr. Priyanka Jain, Miss Mithali, and Miss Renu, and our distinguished guests, Mr. Sunil Saini, Senior Manager of Amity University, and Mr. Sahil Kapoor, Associate Director of Amity University. May we please have your presence on the stage? See the hope inside yourself. Mentoring is a brain to pick, an ear to listen, and a push in the right direction. We are most grateful to have your presence here with us today. Let us commence towards the lamp lighting ceremony. The flame's upward movement, defying gravity, stands as a symbol of our quest for knowledge, upliftment, and the resolve to rise. share some inspiring thoughts with us today.
A very good afternoon to all our wonderful audience we have today. Can I hear a very warm good afternoon from your end as well? Very good afternoon, dear parents. That was a little disappointing. Today, we all have gathered here, not just to celebrate a day as an annual event. I'm sure once you are going to go back after this event, you are going to be a changed person. And I'm sure when I say it, mark my words, you all are going to be the better version of yourselves after this event. So now can I hear that energy in the hall? Very good afternoon, dear parents. Why I'm asking you again and again, there's a reason. Because there are dreamers sitting at backstage who are excited, who are so thrilled, who can't wait to come on this stage, which is just not merely a stage for them. Some of you might have come today with a thought, ठीक है, today is the school event, let's go. माँ का attendance अपने बच्चे का देख के we'll go back. But you see, just for this one day, the amount of hard work that goes in, and not only of children, I would like to take a moment to applaud my entire team also for putting their heart and soul in it. And when I say it, I'm loud enough because I want that each one of them, wherever they are on their duties, they should hear it out, that how proud I am seeing that my children are in the right hands. They are in the right hands because it's just not a school. Time and again, we keep reminding you, TMS Mohali is just not a school. It's a home full of values where we nurture every single child who is unique in their own way, its own way, and gifted with that unique potential which we try our level best to unleash and make it possible that the child should reach the best of its potential. And when I see my shining stars on stage, believe me parents, I am the proud principal standing before you. Thank you so much, my dear children, for giving me these moments, for giving me that inspiration, because I cannot inspire them. You see yourself, inspiration is standing right in front of you, the young dreamers. And today when I welcome all of you, I'm not standing here as a principal of the school. Today, I'm standing here as the representatives of my children. When I say that they are the dreamers, I want my parents to understand that why we have curated and designed this theme, Abhijay, the triumph of life. And I'm sure once you see the entire show, you'll understand the vision and the idea behind this. Because we are not preparing our children for best of the universities. We are preparing our children for the universe. And that is going to be the real triumph of the life. No report card ever, mark my words parents, ever can define the real potential of any child. It was really sad also when I keep on receiving certain applications, kindly exam to my child, don't want to participate in annual function, because today I'm standing here as a representative of my children, not a principal who rejected the application, because this is not just a day where my children are going to come and give you dance performances. It's just not that dance show. It is much beyond than that. It's a strong message for each one of you out there, because I think अगर वो सपने देखते हैं, उनके सपने पूरे होने का सपना सबसे पहले हम देखते हैं. And I want, little overwhelmed, every single child should reach and should fulfill their dream. No matter what it is. No matter what it is. I want a promise today from all of you. Promise me today that you will stand with them to fulfill their dreams. You'll make sure that my children should fulfill every dream of theirs in their life because they can do it. If you believe it, make sure that they should also believe in themselves because the time will come in life. There will be times where there will be failures, but failing is not permanent. You have to make sure that they should get up and try again. If they're failing, fail again. But next time it should be a better failure. That courage you have to give to my children, and that's what a promise I need from all my lovely audience today. Do you promise me today? Yes. Thank you so much for trusting us, for believing in us, and mark my words. These dreamers are going to chase their dreams no matter what, because I know they can do it. So let the show begin, and with this, to my dear children, all the very best. You are the real rock stars. Just go for it. Soar high and reach the sky, because sky is not the limit for you. Thank you so much.
You have always made a positive impact in our lives, and your commitment towards our education is invaluable. Our chosen theme, Abhijay, meaning the triumph of life, represents a captivating journey marked by resilience, growth, and relentless pursuit of purpose. This triumph is witnessed in the face of challenges, the renewal of existence, and shared experiences. Life's triumph of continuous evolution is a journey to realizing that our dreams are not merely a solo venture, but a collective masterpiece we paint with ambition to dream, courage to start, perseverance to continue, and the kindness to make it all beautiful. Now I would like to invite our choir group. Welcome our guests with a beautiful song. For melodiously kickstarting this event. Now, let us seek blessings of Lord Ganesha, the Vigorhar, before we begin with our show. I invite the Rhythm Club for this performance. Can we please welcome them with a huge round of applause?
Jai मंगलमूर्ति दर्शन मात्रे कामना पूर्ति जय देव जय देव
impactful and energetic performance. Now, after seeking the blessings of Lord Ganesha, let us commence towards our event, Abhijay.
taken birth for a purpose, into this magical space filled with dreams and joy. I am like a treasure waiting to be discovered. I am like a shining star who glows forever. I am that silvery note which chant harmonious symphony. I am life.
मैं जिंदगी हूँ, एक कहीं अनसुलझी पहेली हूँ। मैं जिंदगी हूँ, मैं जिंदगी हूँ।
Hey, what is this? Golden book? Was I born with it?
माना कि मंजिल दूर से रास्ता कठिन है, मगर है जो पास तू मेरे, होंगे सब साथ में। कर हौसले बुलंद चलूंगी मैं अभय, कर हर हार पर विजय कहलाऊंगी मैं, विजय कहलाऊंगी मैं विजय। मगर क्या इसे करना मुश्किल नहीं है? आप बताएं, मैं आपसे पूछती हूँ, क्या ये मुश्किल नहीं है? क्या मैं ये कर सकती हूँ? आप कहें मैं ये कैसे करूँ? अगर ना है ये डगर आसान, तो बताएं कैसे पहुँचूंगी मैं उस मुकाम?
Second, don't you tell me what you think that I could be.
believe in myself. I am braver than I think, more talented than I know, and capable of more than I imagine. But who taught me to believe in myself? Who are my pillars of strength? Do you know? Do you?
अरे अरे, किसे ढूंढ रहे हैं आप? और कोई नहीं, वो आप ही हैं जनाब, मेरे प्यारे मम्मी पापा। आहा, देखो जरा, कितनी प्यारी मुस्कुराहट आ गई सबके चेहरों पर। मगर है एक बात जो इस छोटी सी जिंदगी को है सताती। थोड़ा देखो जरा, फिर कुछ सोचो जरा, फिर आराम से सबको बताती।
बच्चे मन के सच्चे और दिल के मासूम होते हैं। बचपन सिर्फ एक बार आता है, सबको भाता है और अपनी छाप जिंदगी भर के लिए छोड़ देता है। आजकल की भागदौड़ भरी जिंदगी में इस रफ्तार से बचपन दौड़ रहा है। घर-घर की कहानियों की दुनिया छोड़ पता नहीं किस ओर मुड़ रहा है। तो आइए सांसें लीजिए थाम, मस्तिष्क को दीजिए थोड़ा विश्राम और देखिए लगाकर पूरा ध्यान। हर बड़ी कहानी, हर छोटी कहानी, ना कोई सजा, ना कोई शादी, सुनो कहानी कहानी। जागो जागो जागो, सुबह हो गई जागो, सपनों को त्यागो, जागो कि हम बचाओ, जागो भाई देर हो गई, जागो अरे दौड़ लगाओ, जागो हुक्का अंधेरा, सुलाया जब गया सूरज, अरे स्कूल में जाना, मैं थोड़ा और सोना चाहता हूँ, सपनों में खोना चाहता हूँ। सपने
गए होंगे आप। क्या चाहती है ये आपकी नन्ही सी जान। ना मांगे तोहफे नजराने हजार, बस चाहे सिर्फ और सिर्फ आपका वक्त और वही ढेर सारा प्यार। क्योंकि आप हैं तो सब है, और इसीलिए कहना चाहती हूँ बार बार।
Thank you, Mom. Thank you, Dad. 3 small words, so much to add. For all your love and your support, 1,000,000 words would be too short. The words I love you seem too few to express the love we have for you.
Every time I'm feeling down, you pick me up. Sing, oh, oh. And when my heart is feeling empty out, you fill my cup. Oh, oh. I just wanna say thank you for the way you love me. I wanna say thank you for the way you love me. I just wanna say thank you. Here we go, verse 2. I'm grateful for the way you've been a friend to me. Sing, oh, oh. And even in the deepest, darkest night, you help me see. Sing it out now, oh, oh. I just wanna say thank you for the way you love me. I wanna say thank you for the way you love me. I just wanna say thank you.
क्या ये मुश्किल, मगर क्या इसे करना
You are right. All I need to do is to believe in myself. I am braver than I think, more talented.
आसपास हो पर साथ नहीं, आंखों के सामने हो पर एहसास नहीं, पाना चाहती हूँ पर मेरे पास नहीं। आखिर क्या हो तुम, कौन हो तुम? क्या इस सवाल का कोई जवाब नहीं?